Hi everyone, welcome back to our English learning podcast. I'm Ada, and with me is Jake.
Hey Ada! Hello listeners! Today we're diving into the world of food, cooking, and cultural cuisines. It's a delicious topic to explore.
Absolutely. Food tells us so much about different cultures, and learning vocabulary around this theme helps in daily conversations and travel.
Let's start with some keywords like recipe, ingredients, and flavor. These are basic but very useful when talking about cooking.
Right, Jake. For example, a recipe is a set of instructions to make a dish. Ingredients are the things you need, like vegetables, spices, or meat.
Flavor means the taste of the food. People often describe flavors as sweet, sour, spicy, or salty, which helps us share our food experience.
These words come up in many daily situations like shopping for groceries or following instructions while cooking at home, making them really practical.
Exactly. Now let's add some cooking verbs to our list. Chop, boil, fry, and bake. Knowing these actions helps you understand recipes easier.
For example, you might chop onions, boil water, or bake a cake. These verbs describe common cooking steps that are easy to remember.
Another important phrase is a pinch of salt. It means adding just a little bit of salt, usually for taste. It's a small but common part of recipes.
Now let's talk about food-related idioms. Have you heard the icing on the cake or spill the beans?
Yes, the icing on the cake means something extra that makes a good situation even better, while spill the beans means to reveal a secret accidentally.
People sometimes confuse these idioms or take them literally. Remember, idioms often have meanings different from the words themselves, so they need to be learned in context.
Good point, Ada. Another common challenge is pronunciation, especially with words like vegetables or quinoa. Breaking them down into smaller sounds helps with clarity.
And don't forget intonation. When you say, "Would you like some tea?" your voice goes up at the end for a question. Using correct intonation makes your English sound natural.
Let's try a quick example. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the waiter asks, "How do you like your steak cooked?" You could say, "Medium rare, please." That's practical language for dining out.
Exactly. Also, when you don't understand something, it's okay to ask for clarification. You can say, "Could you please repeat that?" Or, "What does that mean?"
Cultural food habits also vary a lot. For example, sharing meals is common in many countries, but in others, eating quickly is normal. Knowing this helps avoid misunderstandings.
To improve your vocabulary, try watching cooking shows or reading recipes in English. This kind of practice makes new words stick better and is also fun.
So to review, we covered essential cooking words, useful verbs, idioms, pronunciation tips, and cultural notes. These will help you talk about food confidently.
Keep practicing by using these words every day. Talking about food is a great way to connect with others and enjoy learning English.
Thanks for joining us. Be sure to practice, subscribe, and let us know your favorite dishes in English. See you next time.